Last but not the least for sure. Spatial visualization is basically where you need to understand the difference between a letter when it's rotated or mirrored. And this is exactly what it's trying to test. It tries to test your mental ability to understand that part. So here you can see. So how many rows have the same letter? If it's not a mirror image, then it's the same letter rotated. It's a tip from Heycademy basically. But in this case, you need to figure it out how many rows have the same letter. So for example, if this R has been rotated a few times and it becomes this, then it's the same letter. But in case it's a mirror image, in that case, it's not the exact same letter. And in that case, it's a different letter. So basically, in your mind, you need to rotate it. You need to figure it out if it's mirrored or not. And then afterwards, you can figure out which is the correct answer. So as you would have guessed, it requires a fair amount of practice. Though it sounds not that complicated, but because it's percentile based, you are assessed, you are judged based on everybody else who have performed better than you, then it's really crucial for you to practice it really well. And to help you practice that, we have something for you. So Heycademy, so most of the questions which you have seen here, actually all the questions what you have seen in this video are from Heycademy. And Heycademy has been helping thousands of students globally to pass different kind of job aptitude exams. That's why I suggest, or I highly recommend you to try Heycademy. It has a real Thomas GIA style mock test, which will give you plenty of practice tests where you can go and assess your weaknesses, your strong points, and keep practicing it. It has 1,000+ questions for Thomas GIA. You also get your instant results, detailed feedback, timed practice to build speed. You have clear explanations for every question. It's mobile friendly and easy to use because you need to practice a lot. So in that case, you also need to access it on the mobile friendly device, which is totally possible with Heycademy.